Hello, we are discussing about GATE 2008 ECE paper. Look at the group 1 and group 2. Group 1 gives two possible choices for the impedance Z in the diagram. This is a Z, two possible choices. Z can be either series combination or parallel combination of R and C. And the circuit elements in Z satisfy the condition R2C2 should be greater than R2C2 is greater than R1C1. Transfer function V0 by Vi represents a kind of controller. Match the impedances in group 1 with the type of controller in group 2. So if Z is going to be replacing with parallel combination and series combination, then which type of controllers will be formed? That you are going to identify. Okay. So observe this one. This is an op amp, and assume that this is going to be a impedance Z1 and this is Z2. Then it looks like inverting op amp because the actual input is applied to inverting terminal and the non-inverting terminal is grounded. So V0 by V1 transfer function is minus Z2 by Z1. Based on the realization of Z2 and Z1, you will get different types of controllers. Okay, so we will see what are the different types of controllers we can get by varying the Z1 and Z2, and from that one we will identify the answer for this question. Okay, so now this is what inverting op amp, where we are assuming this is Z1 of S and it is Z2 of S. Okay, Z1, Z2 are going to be physical realizations with the help of resistors and capacitors, and we know the transfer function V0 of S by Vi of S is minus Z2 by Z1. So this is Z1 of S and it is Z2 of S. And this is a corresponding transfer function V0 of S divided by Vi of S. Okay, so if Z1 of S is going to be having resistor and Z2 is resistor parallel capacitor combination, then PI controller is going to result. Okay, so if Z1 is a single resistor, Z2 is resistor capacitor combination, then it will be PI controller, proportional integral controller. Okay, and PD controller can be realized by taking Z1 and Z2. Okay, and PID controller can be get by using R1C1 parallel combination and R2C2 in the series combination Z2. So if Z2 is series combination, then PID controller. So this is remember this one. And next, and if R2C2 are going to be in parallel combination, then you will get the same transfer function, but we are writing it as lag compensation and lead compensation. For lag compensation, okay, lag compensation means there is a zero is very near to origin than the pole is more near to origin than 0. Okay, so this is lag compensation, whereas lead compensation is 0 is nearer than pole with respect to origin. So this is lead compensation. That means the magnitude of pole should be small. So magnitude of pole should be small compared to Z. Lag compensation is magnitude of pole should be smaller than magnitude of 0, whereas lead compensation is magnitude of 0 should be smaller than magnitude of pole. Even though you are going for the same transfer function, okay, because the elements are going to be same, the connections are same, both are in parallel only, you will get the same. But by choosing the R1C1, R2C2 values, if you choose R2C2 is greater than R1C1, then you can write it as this is something is proportional to S plus Z divided by S plus P. 1 0 1 pole. But since R2C2 is greater, pole is going to be lesser than 0. Pole is 1 by R2C2. So R2C2 is greater, 1 by R2C2 will be smaller. So pole is smaller than 0, so that this will be implementing lag compensation. And whenever you are coming for this one, if R1C1 is greater, then 1 by R1C1 will be smaller. So again it is proportional to C1 by C2 are neglecting. It is proportional to S plus Z divided by S plus P only. But since R1C1 is larger, magnitude of Z is going to be smaller compared to magnitude of pole. That makes realization of lead compensation. So if R2C2 is greater than R1C1, then it will be realizing lag compensation. So the right answer for us is one is PID controller whenever Z2 is R2C2, and one is lag compensation whenever R2C2 are in parallel combination with R2C2 greater than R1C1. Okay, now we will see the given options. This is always Z1 is fixed, so you may get an option R2C2. If you are choosing, then you will get Q of 1, Q2 1. Okay, and next R2C2, it may be lead compensator or it may be lag compensator, but it has given that one R2C2 is very large compared to R1C1. That means magnitude of pole is smaller than magnitude of 0, so it is going to be indicating, it is indicating lag compensator. So R2 3, so Q1 R3, Q1 R3 is answer is B. The right answer for this question is B itself. Thank you.